Hey guys, so I'm back with another video. Same week, I know. I should have put makeup on, but I just came from the gym and I do not feel like putting on makeup, so you gotta have to accept me like this. But today, as you can tell by the title of the video, I'm gonna try to make my own healthy sushi roll. Bought this I can never say sushi making kit off of Amazon. It was only, I think, 8 or 10 bucks. And it comes with chopsticks, and I guess it's for like the rice to put down. But instead of rice, we're gonna be using cauliflower rice. I wanted to use like a real cauliflower, like not frozen, but freaking Walmart was out of cauliflower. So I got 2 packets because I don't know if one's gonna be enough. So I got rice cauliflower. I got some roasted seaweed. I got some imitation crab. Fat-free cream cheese because we're trying to watch our weight. This is only 30 calories per 2 tablespoons, which is pretty good. I got 2 avocados. I got cucumber. I got some white sesame seeds. I got this oyster flavor sauce. I don't know how this is gonna be. I never had oyster sauce, but yeah. And then I'm craving noodles, guys. So I got this, what is this? Maruchan. I got these teriyaki beef or chow mein chicken noodles, and instead of using those noodles that it comes with, I'm gonna use the shirataki pasta 0. These have a weird texture, but I like it. It doesn't bother me. It's a little weird, but it like you get that craving out of the way. So this is 30 calories for this whole pack, 15 calories per serving, and there's 2. So I'm feeling like Asian. I'm wanting Asian food. I went to the little Asian market for this, and they have so many cool stuff, but I'm trying to watch my weight, so I couldn't get anything. But anyways, so let's start. First things first, we're gonna cook our cauliflower, and we're gonna pour this whole bag. I didn't even think I needed 2 bags. So I'm gonna heat up my pan, and I'm also gonna add, I have liquid aminos. This is 000. This is kind of strong, so don't put too much. I have some rice wine vinegar and sesame oil, but 130 calories for a little thing of sesame oil. We're not gonna use sesame oil. Let's cook our cauliflower. So I'm just gonna pour. Okay guys, to this mixture you want to add your cream cheese, which I'm going to try to do with one hand. My cream cheese is already soft, so it works better if it's soft. Okay guys, I'm not going to use all the cauliflower, so I separated it, and I believe this is how it should look. I know it looks disgusting, but now we're going to assemble our sushi. Seaweed wrap. Our ingredients. I'm gonna use this little spatula that they gave us and try to assemble the sushi. So let's go. get what this mat was for. Guys, what was this mat for? Just to like roll it? Here's my sushi log. Not very flattering. Is there instructions in this? Nope. Let's try it. Let me cut it and see how it tastes. I think you're supposed to let this cool down. Guys, I think I'm failing at this. I think you're supposed to maybe let the sushi cool down. Let me try this little piece. Did I just do some sushi? Mmm. Okay, guys. That is pretty damn good. I think I should let the cauliflower and cream cheese cool down. Let me put some sesame seed on it. Is this expired? No. My god, guys, did I just create sushi? I didn't create sushi, but new subscriber. Sorry guys, I'm looking at my phone. Okay, let's see. So I'm gonna take some sesame seed, put it on top. I'm trying to, it doesn't taste exactly like sushi, but this can be a dupe. Okay guys, I'm gonna make the rest of the sushi, make my pasta, and then hey guys, this is dinner. My low carb, low calorie sushi, my shirataki noodles that look so freaking yummy. So I hope you enjoyed this quick video. I wasn't even gonna record this because I was like, I don't even know how to make it. It's gonna look gross, it's gonna taste gross, but it actually tastes really good. I mean, you can tell it's not real sushi, but when you're trying to look good, eat good, it's a good substitute. But anyways guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and stay tuned for more videos, and like, subscribe, share, and comment what you thought about. If you do try this, let me know on Twitter, Snapchat, or on YouTube, and let me know how it went.